Hello everyone, how do you like this sketch of an aged couple showing perfect togetherness and bonding between them that I have done in watercolors? Would you like to paint it along with me? Come on then, stay with me till the end and let's see how this can be done. This is going to be just a simple watercolor sketch, and so I am using this simple cartridge paper pad and along with that these watercolor paints. These are artist grade watercolor paints. The shades are lemon yellow, chrome yellow, yellow ochre, scarlet red, crimson red, sap green, cobalt blue, Prussian blue, and maybe just a little bit of black. And of course a few brushes ranging from very fine to a little bit broader ones. I have drawn out the basic outline of the figures with the help of a pencil here. Now beginners may find this a little overwhelming in the beginning, but if you look around on the net you will find some relevant videos on this. I will be surely posting some on drawing human figures, so do watch out for that too. Now both the man and the woman that we are painting here, both of them are having white hair, and so not much needs to be painted there, only a few shades of light and dark grays as per the light direction. Now the light direction of course plays an important part in deciding which parts are to be shown in light tones and dark tones. Now in this case the light is coming from the right hand side, and so all the right hand sides of all the elements will be in light tones and the left side ones will be in dark tones, and the shadows too will be on the left hand side. As always, I am going to be working in layers and I am not going to show too many details. For the beginning I am just blocking in the colors of the garments. Here in this case the man is wearing a brown colored sweater, and so I am painting the brown color in sort of a very watery kind of a paint for the first layer, and the shadings of each of the elements will largely be seen in the subsequent layers. Right now just let's concentrate on getting the shapes in place correctly, and so in this manner let's proceed to put in the first layer and let's catch up after that. And so in this way the first layer for the man has been done, and you can see I have done it very roughly without any detail as such. And now I am beginning the same thing with the figure of the woman, and so let's proceed in the same way that we did for the man and let's see what we can do after that. And that brings us to the end of the first layer for the woman's figure, and now subsequently we will start with the detailings or the second layer for the man's figure or even the woman's figure. I'll be adding in more and more details along the way. This kind of watercolor sketching or paint sketching is a very good experience, and plus since we are drawing the human anatomy, that is also a very good practice for people who are studying anatomy or figure drawing. Of course, while doing this, you have to keep in mind the light direction as I spoke about it earlier. See that you are maintaining the correct light tones on the side towards the light and dark tones on the sides away from the light. There will be shadows intermittently here and there of each and every element, that too has to be maintained. And this generally will give a definitely good experience for all of you who would like to take up anatomy or figure drawing, or any even for color, watercolor painting for that matter, because this involves a lot of light direction and shade and light. And so in this manner, let us proceed with more and more details, with more and more layers, and catch up in a while. These are the shadows for the figures, and now I'm beginning to paint in the background of the figures. Since the figures have been painted in light tones in the first place, I am putting in a slightly darker background around the figures so that the figures themselves will start popping out. And so I'm using a darker blue color, and I will be adding more and more darker tones of the blue color also along the way as I move downwards. And this background will not cover the whole of the paper. Since this is just a sketch, I am going to give only a little background just around the figures, and that will be all. Especially since both the figures had white hair, it had to have a dark background so that the head would stand out. Also, the clothes are also in lighter tones, and so to make them stand out, make them look more prominent, if we give a darker background, that can be achieved. And so that brings us to the end of our watercolor sketch, and our sketch is done. How did you like it? If you liked the video, please give a like and do subscribe to the channel. Do press the bell icon so that you get notifications for future videos, and you may also comment below as to how you like the sketch here and what else you would like to see. Also click on the end screens displayed above so that you can watch other videos, and let's meet in the other video.